Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tope and I am back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make chin chin in my kitchen, and I'll be showing you the ingredients, which I'll be listing down in the description box. So if you would like to try this, please go to the description to see the ingredients and the quantities that was used. Okay, so you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Briefly, I'm going to be explaining the process. First, I'm going to sieve out and measure and sieve out my flour. That's what I'm doing right now, and I used 6 cups of flour because there was an event I needed to make the chin chin for. So 6 cups of flours. I added my baking powder, that's 2 teaspoons. I added sugar. I don't think I have that in the video. 2 cups of sugar, and then salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then I mixed them together over here with my whisk. Mixed till it turns like properly mixed. Then I got another bowl. That's where I put my eggs. I broke my eggs in the bowl, and then you know what to do next after breaking eggs. You whisk them. You don't want to put the egg like that in your flour. So break the eggs, whisk. Next, I added butter to the flour mix. The flour, sugar, salt, baking powder mix. And then I can't remember the quantity of butter I used, but I'm going to make sure I put it in the description box too for certainty. And then after putting the butter, So after adding the butter, I made sure I washed my hands because I'm about to use my hand to do a lot of mixing. So I washed my hands and I dried them, and I started mixing the butter with the flour. I was trying to achieve the butter melting with the flour, melting in with the flour. Like no one will even notice that there's butter in it, but the only thing that's going to change is the color and the texture. So I was trying to achieve the breadcrumb texture and color. That's what I was doing right here. Then I made a hole in the flour mix that I already had in my big bowl. Mix the egg again, pour the egg inside. If you want to add some flavor to your chin chin, you can put it in the egg. You mix it with the egg, but I did not use no flavor for this. And then I added my milk. I had a cup of milk in the bowl, so I just added it, and then now I'm going to mix everything together. For those of you that get disgusted by eggs, you don't have to use your hand. You can just decide to You definitely have to use your hand, don't mind me. You can decide to wear gloves if you don't want your hand to touch the eggs, so you can wear gloves, and then you keep mixing till it forms and it turns to a dough. Mix. It's about to turn to a dough, and voila. Yeah, it's getting hard, it's getting there. So you keep mixing until you achieve a dough from it. It takes a lot of energy, but if it's something that you enjoy doing, then why not use the energy? Use it. This is not only for ladies though, guys can also do this. It's quite easy and it's a little bit time consuming, but you know, you achieve the goal at the end of the day. So now I'm about to knead more, so it's going to be like smoother, and then I keep kneading. So now that I'm done with the kneading, it's time for me to put it in a bowl. You can use any type of bowl, because you have to put it in a bowl for the dough to calm down before you start cutting and frying. So I'm putting it straight in a bowl, and then I put in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. That's what I did. Mind you, before you put it in the fridge, you have to use maybe a napkin or this wrap that I used to cover it before putting it in the fridge or wherever you want to keep it for it to cool down. Now it's in the refrigerator getting ready to be fried, and this is how I fried it. So after frying, voila, this is the end result, guys. This is my chin chin, and you can keep this chin chin in the refrigerator for as long as you want it. You know, you can serve this to guests. You can use this for gatherings. If you don't want to spend a lot, you can do chin chin and then serve your, you know what I mean now. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and put your comments there in the comment section. I enjoy seeing and reading y'all's comments, so please comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Peace out.